Hi, welcome to Cross TV. Today, I will be showing you a top wonderful 5 platform you can go and start making money for yourself today. As I always say it is persistence and consistency and hard work. If I actually wanted to achieve money legit online, so I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named streetbees.com. Streetbee.com. Become a bee. You can see become a bee got a spare few minutes fancy earning cash reward for answering questions about what you are up to. Download the Street Bees app and become a bee today. We are buzzing to have you. You can see download the Street Bees app to become a bee today and start earning. Let me show you how it works on this platform. Download the app, create an account, then get paid. So I'll be showing you the second platform. The number two platform is named Earnarbly. Earnarbly.com. 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 What is Earnarbly.com? This is also a platform that pays you for performing different tasks. You can see digital reward and gift card made easy. Earn instant reward by completing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys. It's that easy. So complete offers, get reward. We reward our members with instant cash, free gift card for completing simple tasks, watching videos and answering surveys. You can see. So other alternate route you can also earn reward on this platform is that you can also refer people down to this platform. Also refer people to this platform. They are going to give you 10% 10% reward. Can see will earn 10% of their earnings for life. Any work or any task they perform on this platform, they're going to give you 10% of those rewards. So the number three platform is named LightGPT. LightGPT.com. LightGPT.com. What is LightGPT.com? LightGPT also work like every other platform, just like the one I just explained earlier, such as 3Bs, Earnhably, but this is even different. On this platform, their reward and payment method would amaze you. It's amazing. Once you just register, you will see what I mean. You can see our innovative features for members give them flexibility and more earning potential. You can see they give them more earning potential. That's what actually distinguish this platform in contrast to other platform. More than 8 earning ways. You can earn through traffic source. You can also earn through clicking ads and completing tasks, surveys, whatever you want. Just check this platform. You can see you can also withdraw your payment in BTC and also dollar. Unlimited direct refer. You can also refer people, then also earn cheap profitable upgrade plan, passive income. So this is also a good platform to start. So the number four platform is called starclicks.com. I can never forget this site. This is the number one site I started, and I've also learned people about this site. I've taught people how to operate this site, and they have started earning little change on this platform. That is the ones that upgrade to their plan. So this is the platform. Let me show you the main full dashboard of StarClick. This is the main website of it. You can see StarClick, click and publish, advertise, and earn money online. You can see start working now and earn money, get paid, publish ad, get paid instantly. Withdraw your cash, quick and free cash. What is your job on this platform? Is to just perform little task. What is the task? To just click on ads. To just click on ads. To just click on ads. Let me show you an amazing thing. Let me sign in into my account. Not to show up, but for you to know that I'm not lying about this plan. This platform is legit, that I'm also working on this platform. You can see so today I see have 4 tasks to be done. Pay per click ad. Let me show you. What is the task? Is to just click on this ads. Once I click on this ads, so they are going to pay me. So that's how it just works on this platform. So the number 5 platform I will be showing you, it's named what? Pico Workers. PicoWorkers.com. What is Pico Worker? Pico Workers also works like every other platform. On this platform, you can hire money as a freelance, can see an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. By performing those tasks, they are going to pay you, they are going to pay you, they are going to pay you, they are going to pay you. So that is how it works on this 5 platform. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.